Good evening, you're watching Fiji Today. Massive drug awareness programs within Itoke communities, jointly organized by the Fiji Police Force and the Rokotuis, will start soon. It's a renewal partnership between the force and the Itoke Affairs Ministry that was sealed with a memorandum of understanding this morning.
The MOU will strengthen policing of rural Itoke communities through the establishment of rural policing partnerships. Basically, what the police and Itoke ministry is saying that to tackle issues of drugs and other criminal activities, they will need to work together. The ministry's intimate knowledge of Itoke communities combined with the force knowledge of the law and crime trends will work as a powerful force in reducing crimes within these communities. The MOU is the result of a flood of concern raised at various provincial council meetings about the increase in drug-related activities within Itoke communities.
So we are going to work together with the Rokotui and the community policing arm of police to work out a workable, a workable solution where we can reach the grassroots people, and not only reach them only once, but consistent. And we are seen that we are there. We are visible.
Conisela says Itoke communities are to take the initiative of exchanging information with the two organizations in terms with security matters.
People at the grassroots level could also inform us if they have information of some of the farmers, cultivators, or drug pushers, or whatever we call them, that are working within the area, to inform us. So inform the Rokotu, inform the Turangani Koro, Maternity Kina. These are the various levels that we're going to work with. The Turangani Koro, Maternity Kina, Rokotui, Assistant Rokotui, and the community policing officers around that area.
Police Commissioner Brigadier General Yowane Naibal Rua says the MOU signing is the way forward in the fight against drugs. He added that fight against drugs cannot be stopped if there is no action is taken.
The upgraded British American tobacco factory opened in Suva this morning, another investment government believes will boost economic growth. Attorney General Ayaz Sayed Qayyum officiated at the opening.
British American Tobacco contributes close to 60 million to government revenue through Fiji Revenue and Customs Authority. This contribution comes by way of value-added tax payment, excise duty and corporate tax.
I believe also is a confidence booster and also an indication of the confidence that British American Tobacco has, not just in respect of its own operations, but also the partnership it has developed with the Bainimarama government.
Recently, a number of investment incentives and transparent processes have been implemented by the government to encourage investment in the country. Sayed Qayyum says this has led to investor confidence.
It has also meant a partnership where there is collaboration between agencies such as Ministry of Health and the British American Tobacco. And I'd like to commend British American Tobacco for its willingness to work with the Ministry of Health, for its willingness to comply with the various health standards that have been put in place to ensure that we achieve that balance.
Civil servants working in rural and maritime areas will be paid locational allowances. The allowances will be backdated to August 2011. It only applies to civil servants who are posted away from their respective home bases.
Single officers will be paid about $1,200 and married officers $1,800 extra as locational allowances. This is part of government's commitment to improving the working conditions of civil servants in rural areas. Prime Minister Commodore Burengame Bainimarama says it's important to improve working conditions to help civil servants based in the rural areas improve their service delivery to the people. Commodore Bainimarama says rural civil servants are the hands and mouth of government in these areas. They often form the only link between the people and government. Some live in rundown housing conditions, while others struggle to meet the needs of their families in tough conditions. Another improvement is the provision of housing at just 4% of the civil servants' basic salary. All doctors and nurses serving in districts and rural hospitals, health centers will be provided free housing. Commodore Bainimarama says all incentives will be sourced from within respective ministerial budgets.
After the break, government urges members of the public to fly a Fiji flag.